what really makes me upset? Right when you make a YouTube or MySpace or something on any kind of, popular website, and like not long after you do that, they change the entire website. Like, for instance, when I made my music YouTube, which was only 5 months ago, or this one, which was only today. I just got used to the way that YouTube was, and then they changed everything. Like, immediately. And it really irks me because I just got used to the way it was, and then everything changes. And I really don't like the way YouTube looks now, because YouTube, it looks like they downgraded, in my opinion. Like the font they use for the text, it just looks like it's more old. Another website that's changed a lot is MySpace. If you have a MySpace and a Facebook, you can tell that MySpace has totally stole Facebook's ideas. And it's really stupid. Because personally, I liked MySpace the way it was. I don't know about you all, but I thought MySpace was really cool a couple years ago. You could have MySpace layouts and songs, profile songs. And then they had those music MySpaces, which is, I have one, www.myspace.com/Britpop09. And they had these music MySpaces that were really cool and that you could upload your own songs onto. And I thought it was really cool a couple years ago. I still like the music ones, but the regular ones, it's just like a big rip-off of Facebook, in my opinion. So I don't like how they've done that. I think it's really stupid and more complicated. And also, if you still like MySpace, you'll probably notice that a lot of your friends aren't even online that much, especially if they have a Facebook. They're probably on Facebook, and if you don't have one, you should probably make one before MySpace completely goes down the drain. So, I mean, that might be a couple of years, that might be a couple of months, I don't know. But all I know is it's going to happen if it keeps changing like this. Because personally, I already know at least 5 people that's deleted their MySpaces because it's just been too complicated to even deal with. Too much changing. But you tell me what you think about it. Do you like YouTube's new layout? Do you like MySpace and how they keep changing everything? Do you hate it like I do? Do you completely agree? If you do completely agree, give me a thumbs up because you can't rate anymore. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. This channel is for my vlogs only, to ramble on and on about something that you possibly don't care about or might be interested in. So anyway, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below telling me what you think. And if you want to hear me sing, subscribe to my music channel that's advertised below. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. See ya!